On May 20, 2022, we will celebrate the World Organizing Day. Together, let's explore how organization can improve and transform our lives.
안녕하십니까?
Ciao.
你好.
Together with thousands of colleagues around the world, we celebrate the work of organizing and productivity professionals.
It's our mission to enhance the quality of your daily life. By creating environments to support increased productivity, improve mental health, and overall well-being, your life will never be the same again.
Hola desde España.
Hello. Bonjour.
Pop Brasil saúda o Dia Mundial da Organização.
konnichiwa.
What would you like to learn?
For more information about World Organizing Day, go to the World Organizing Day website at www.worldorganizingday.com. How are you going to celebrate World Organizing Day?
We look forward to seeing you.
Thanks for watching.